Using groups in Engage Consult. First of all, log in at my.engage.gp. Go to Engage Client and select Groups. Here you can add any groups you need for your practice. So we're going to type in the group name as Sick Notes and click Create. As you can see, this has now been added as one of our groups. If you wanted to delete any groups, you find the group you want to delete and click Delete, and that will remove that group from your list. You can also share any groups with other organisations, so you'd click Share on the group you'd want to share, type in the organisation's name or their ODS code, click Share, and this will then be sent to them. From their side, they'll go into the Engage client in an external. They'll see that you've shared a group with them, so they can enable it, and that will then allow them to see the requests that you've put in that group, so you can then share requests with another organisation. When you go into your Engage client, you can see at the moment we've got all requests, all covered, and my requests. But if you go into your account, which is alongside the top toolbar, click this little head symbol, go to Groups, and here you can cover any groups that you're a part of. So we're going to cover Sick Notes and Admin, and we're going to also cover Incoming Requests. So these are all incoming requests into your practice. We're going to click Save, and you can see it says your changes have been saved. Because they're turned blue, you can see that we are definitely covering those groups. And when you click into colleagues, you can do the same to cover a colleague. So when we go back to our requests, you can now see those groups have been added to our list. So we've got admin, so these are all requests assigned to admin, incoming requests, and our sick note group. In all, you can search. So for example, we're going to search sick notes. You can see here there's a sick note record, so we're going to view this request. We're going to click Action, and we're going to assign it to our sick note group. And click Assign. So as you can see, that's now gone into the sick notes group. And we can view that request. So this is how you can use groups to prioritise requests and make sure they're seen by the correct person. So all your requests will come into all, and then you can then filter them into your groups, which your staff members and colleagues will be covering. So in all requests, this is all requests coming into the practice. You can see who they've been assigned to, if they have been assigned. So you can see this one's for incoming requests, this one's for doctors. And if you click View that request, you can then assign it to a group. So we'll assign this one to the doctors. If we then went into our account, into groups, we could then click to uncover admin and incoming requests and sick notes. So you can see we're not covering any of those groups anymore. Click Save, it confirms that it's been saved. When you go back to requests, you can see they have come off your list.